In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your crypto directly from your bank account using the BingX app. Now, in case you don't know, BingX is one of the biggest crypto exchanges that you can use to trade crypto, buy crypto, sell your crypto, or make money with crypto. So that's the app I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So if you're looking for ways to buy crypto directly from your bank account, then this is how to do it. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my phone because I believe 99% of people watching these videos will be using BingX on their mobile phones and not on laptops or the web version. So that is why I'm using the app for this. Before I go on and show you how to buy your crypto on the BingX app, in case you don't have a BingX account, you can use the first link in the description of this video to create an account. So once you've done that and you've created your account, here's how to buy crypto on the BingX app. Now, as you can see right here, this is the home page of the app. Now, you see where it says deposit right here, where the arrow is pointing to. Now, if you click on it right there, it will show you two options. So the first option right here is if you have crypto, while the second option is if you have no crypto. So if you have crypto on another crypto app, you can deposit it or transfer it from that other crypto app to your BingX account. But if you don't have crypto, I won't advise you to use this second option because you're going to be paying fees. And also, just in case your country does not allow you to use your bank to do crypto transactions, you don't need to do this. So the best option is to use P2P, which is peer-to-peer trading. So to do that on BingX, come to the home page right here and click on more, where the arrow is pointing to. So once you click on more, so right here to show you asset management right here, and then you come here to where you have P2P trading, where the arrow is pointing to. So you click on it. So right here on the screen is the P2P trading page on BingX. Now, the first thing you want to do right here is to select whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So you can see where the arrow is pointing to, you have buy and then you have sell. Now, if you are clicking on buy, it means you want to buy crypto, while if you are clicking on sell, it means you want to sell your crypto. But for this video, I'm teaching you how to buy your crypto on BingX, so I'll click on buy right there. And after you've done that, the next thing is to come here to where you have NGN. Once you click on it, you'll see different local currencies right here. What you want to do right here is to select your country's local currency. So for example, I'm from Nigeria and our local currency is the Nigerian Naira, which is NGN. So that's it right here where I was pointing to. So I'll just click on it. So that means I'm trading or buying with my local currency. But if you're from another country, just click on it again. So just come right here and look for your country's local currency. So you can see that you have multiple local currencies right here. So just look for it. You definitely find your country's local currency right there. So for me, my own is NGN. I'll just click on NGN. So right here where the arrow is pointing to is where you see the cryptocurrency you are buying, which is USDT. That means you are buying USDT right here. So if you want to buy another cryptocurrency, just buy USDT from this page. So once you have the USDT in your BingX account, then you can now use that USDT to buy any crypto of your choice. I will still be showing you how to do that in this video. So make sure you keep watching. So once you've seen that, the next thing is to enter the amount you want to use to buy. So just click on where you have amount right here and enter the amount you want to use to buy in your local currency. So let's say I want to buy USDT worth of, let's say 30,000 Naira. I'll just put 30,000 Naira right there and click on confirm. Make sure it is in your local currency. That's why I said this NGN must be in your local currency. So once you enter the amount, then you see where you have trade method, click on it. This is where you can select the method through which you want to trade or the method through which you want to make your payment. So for me, I want to make payment via bank transfer. So once you click on bank transfer, just click on OK. So once you've done that, come right here to where you have this icon, where the arrow is pointing to. Just click on it. You can see you have different options right here. You have all, you have no verification required, and you have ads I can trade. Now, where you have no verification required, it means that you can trade with these people without doing your verification. That if you have not verified your account, there are people you can trade with. So if I click on this one right here, it will show me the people that I can trade with without doing my verification. But for me, I've done my verification already, so I don't need to select that. So let me come back and select this icon. So the second option is ads I can trade. So for this ads I can trade, it will show me the people I can trade with. So these are the people I can trade with right here. So let's, for example, I want to trade with this first person right here. So you can see this person is Decency Crypto. That's the username of the person. And then you can see in the last 30 days, this person has done 924 trades. And then to show you the amount this person is selling USDT for, so this person is selling USDT for 1,652 Naira. And you see the available USDT this person has 590 USDT available for sale. And then this person is selling between 5,000 Naira to 400,000 Naira. Don't forget, I'm buying just 30,000 Naira, so that means I can trade with this person. So you also see the second person right here. You can see this person username is Diadem Exchange. And in the last 30 days, this person has done 112 trades. So you can see this person is also selling 1 USDT for 1,652 Naira. And then the available USDT this person has is 415 USDT. And then this person is selling between 10,000 Naira to 686,000 Naira. So I can just pick from any of these people to buy from. So let's say I want to buy from this first person. I'll just come right here and click on buy. So the next thing you want to do is to enter the amount you want to use to buy. So you can enter it by value or by amount. So if you're entering by value, it means that you want to enter the amount of Naira you want to use to buy. So if I come here, I'll just enter 30,000 Naira that I entered before. So that 30,000 Naira, you see the amount of USDT you will receive, which is 18.15 USDT. But let's say, for example, you want to enter the amount in USDT, just click on by amount right here. And once you get here, just enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy, let's say, 10 USDT, just click on 10 right there to show you the amount you have to pay. So I have to pay 16,520 Naira. So let's just go back to by value. So I want to buy worth of 30,000 Naira, or just enter it right there, 30,000 Naira. That means I'll be receiving 18.15 USDT. And you can see right here, if you're buying with P2P, you're not paying any fee. So you can see where it says buy with 0 fee. That's the advantage of P2P. You're not buying with any fee, so you're paying 0 fee. So once you've done that, you can see where it says, please make the payment in 15 minutes. So if you are doing this, make sure you make your payment within 15 minutes. Very important. So once you've seen that, just click on buy with 0 fee. And then to bring a pop-up to show you what you are doing so you can be sure. So you can see I'm buying, and then I'm buying with 30,000 Naira and I'm receiving 18.15 USDT and I'm paying via bank transfer. So once you've seen that, click on buy at the bottom side of the screen. And then right here, you can see the countdown has started for you to make your payment within 15 minutes. And in case you want to chat with the seller, that is this person you are buying from, you can see where it says chat right here, where the arrow is pointing to. Just click on it. And this is where you can be able to chat with this person. So you can see this person said, I'm online, no third-party payment or fraudulent money. So you can just come right here and chat with this person if you want to do that. And if you want to go ahead and make payment, just go back. So once you are ready to make payment to the person, just come right here to the bottom side of the screen and click on pay. So right here on the screen to show you the bank details of the person. So I'll just go ahead to my bank app right now, copy the bank details of the person and send the money to the person. I will not be showing the bank details because of YouTube terms, obviously, and because of privacy. So I'll just go to my bank app, send the 30,000 Naira to this person.
A few moments later.
So I'll just send the 30,000 Naira to the person's bank account. So I'll just come right here to the bottom side of the screen and click on paid and proceed. And then you can see tap on confirm only after you've made the payment, otherwise your account will be frozen. So what they are trying to say is make sure you have sent the money already before coming to press paid and proceed. So once you've done that, just click on this box right here and click on OK. So you can see where it says pending receipt. The asset will be released for you after the seller's confirmation of receipt. Also, what they are trying to tell you is that they are waiting for the person to confirm the payment. So once the person confirms the payment, I'm going to get my USDT in my wallet.
A few moments later.
So you can see right here in less than 1 minute, the person has confirmed the payment, and you can see it says 18.15 USDT has been released to your fund account. So I'll go right now to my fund account to show you the USDT. But that's a simple way to buy USDT via P2P directly from your bank account on the BingX app. So you can see that you just bought crypto easily without paying any fee. So let's go right now to the fund account page to show you the money. So I'll go right here. To do that, just go right to the bottom side of the screen and click on Assets. So once you click on Assets, go on that fund right here. So click on that fund and then let me open it so you can see. So right now I have $167 right there. But before doing this transaction, I had about 149 USDT right there. So if you add the amount I just got, you see that it's $167.15. So that's a simple way to buy USDT. But let's say, for example, you now want to buy another cryptocurrency. Don't forget, it's only USDT you can buy through P2P. So let's say, for example, you want to use that USDT to buy, let's say, XRP, BTC, ETH, or any coin. It's simple. In as much as the money is in your fund account, just come right here to where you have spot right here. Click on spot. And then you can come right here to where you have this XRP USDT. Just click on it. So once you click on it, search for the coin you want to buy. So let's, for example, I want to buy ETH USDT. So just come here to this search bar and just search for ETH. So once you search for ETH, it will bring out the cryptocurrency. This is it right here, ETH/USDT. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you see ETH USDT right here, and then you see where it says buy. So you can just click on buy right here. So it will be on buy. That means you want to buy ETH. So what this means is that you want to use your USDT to buy ETH. So since it's on buy right here, and you can see where you have market. So this market, make sure it's on market right there. This market means that you are buying instantly. So right here where it says USDT, enter the amount we want to use to buy. So let's say I want to buy with 15 USDT. I'll just enter 15 right there. So once you've entered 15 right there, then just click on buy ETH at the bottom side of the screen. And then at the bottom side of the screen, just click on confirm. And just like that, you've bought ETH with your USDT on BingX. So if you want to see it, go to the assets page right here. And then you see it under your fund page. So this is fund at the top. So you see where you have ETH. So this is my ETH. So right now I have 0.004 ETH in my wallet. So that's the simple way to buy any cryptocurrency directly from your bank account using the BingX app. Another way you can use your USDT to buy any crypto of your choice is to just convert that USDT to any crypto. So to do that, just click on convert right here. So I'll click on convert, and then you can see where it says cryptocurrency or fiat currency. So we want to convert it to a crypto. So just click on cryptocurrency. So the next thing is to pick the crypto you want to transfer from to the crypto you want to transfer to. So for this one, I want to transfer from USDT because USDT is what I have. So I just change this BTC to USDT. So just look for USDT. So if you scroll down, you see USDT at the bottom side of the screen. So I'll just click on it and then search for the cryptocurrency you want to change it to. So I'll just change this BTC to any crypto I want to change it to. So let's say I want to change it to, let's say XRP. I'll just click on XRP right here. And then next is to enter the amount you want to convert. So you can see the minimum you can convert right here is 10 USDT. So let's say I want to convert 10 USDT. I'll just put in 10 right there. It will show me the amount of XRP I will get. So I'll just click on convert. So once you click on convert, you can see it takes time. Just click on confirm. And then you can see your asset have been converted to fund account. So just go back, let's check it. So you can see right here, the XRP is in my account. So you can either go to the spot trading page to buy the crypto using your USDT, or just click on convert and convert your USDT to any crypto of your choice. So this is a simple step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency directly from your bank account using the BingX app. Now in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your crypto from the BingX account and get your money directly to your bank account. So if you want to see that video, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and in case the video is out, you can check the description of this video for the link to that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.